Are you a one-man or one-woman band filmmaker that always tries to do it all on set? Well, I feel you. Hiring an extra sound guy or sound gal is not always practical or within the budget, especially for immersive filmmaking. All your crew members need to hide somewhere. Shooting with the Canon R5 C with the dual spatialize right here,
Just want to sound check, Mr. Gosling.
your boomed pole cannot pass the 180 line. So that extra sound person is only there to monitor audio and eat your snack. Whoa! Today catering is sushi. Oh my god. Oh. So good. So good. Okay. Even if you don't do VR 180 filmmaking like us, having an extra crew member is just hard to manage if you are doing run and gun style documentary or commercial filmmaking. Since you upgrade your DSLR to a true cinema camera, the Canon R5 C, you pay for that timecode feature already. So let's use it and get the absolute best sounding audio in sync in multiple cameras without needing an extra sound person. For immersive filmmaking, you know you need multiple sound sources all in sync, captured individually in super high quality. So you can spatialize in post inside a VR headset like the Meta Quest 2 right here, or the Apple fancy spatial audio headphones. VR or not, if audio is key in your production and you don't want to spend an extra $600 a day for a sound person, this is the tutorial for you. Let's dive right in. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Hugh here, back for another Canon R5 C tutorial for 2D filmmakers and immersive filmmakers. Today, we talk about professional sounding audio. Since anyone can attach a good shotgun microphone to the camera to capture environmental audio, or for channel Ambisonic audio with the Zoom A3 VR, having reliable lav each per channel is the only thing you need. But it is not that easy though to run a multiple lavalier microphones on set. You will need them perfectly in sync with your camera. Sometimes the talent is far and you cannot get a good audio collab sync. Second, you need an extra sound person to monitor the level of each lav. If they are only 24-bit lav recording, like the popular Rode Wireless Go, they will clip. Number 3, wireless lavalier like the Rode Wireless Go and the brand new DJI wireless lav, which seem to pay every single influencer on the planet to glorify them, has one major problem: losing connection. So yes, you will lose your audio or pick up unwanted noise because of unexpected interference. For VR 180 production or VR 260 production, you usually have multiple talent who need to be captured. So you need a solution to have 2 to 10 perfectly in sync lav, which none of the consumer solution can do. The one close to that requirement and pretty affordable is the new Comica BoomX-U QUA 4 transmitter 4-track broadcast system right here. But it still only has 4. Adding more transmitter will be complicated. So all this reason guide me into finding out the best scalable wireless lavalier solution that can achieve professional reliability and sound quality. And I found it. Meet the Tentacle Sync E and Tentacle Track E. Here's why I choose Tentacle instead of all the other consumer solutions out there. First, 100% German-made best sounding quality system. I know this might sound biased, but any professional filmmaker can tell you how much they like their Sennheiser microphone system. Germans just know how to make the best sounding audio equipment. Second, internal recording. The audio was recorded directly into the Tentacle Track E micro SD card. No fancy wireless transmission, so no job, and it just works 100% like the old school wired system. Number 3, 32-bit flow recording. Let's do a quick comparison. Here's what it sounds like with a name brand wireless lavalier system attached here on my left. I also have the Track E attached here on my right. Let's take a listen. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Really loud mic check, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to lose my voice tomorrow for you. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If I heard your ear jump, give this video a big thumb up. Share it on your social media. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Really loud mic check, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to lose my voice tomorrow for you. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If I heard your ear jump, give this video a big thumb up. Share it on your social media. As you can hear, no matter how loud I talk, Track E never clips. Let me show you the dynamic range difference between a 24-bit recording and a 32-bit flow recording. Look at how much headroom you get. It is like recording in RAW versus H.265. You can save every bit of information in post. This allows you to turn it on and forget about it. Even better, if you are doing spatial audio, which requires loudest information to match the talent location distance to the camera, you can play with the loudest level in post without bringing in noise or clipping the audio. Super helpful for spatial sound design. Number 4, it has a timecode sync with the Sync E system right here and any other Track E microphone. Everything is synced with a Bluetooth on your phone. No more extra audio recorder or field recorder is necessary. Less equipment you need on set. Number 5, a fully charged Track E can last up to 10 hours of operation time, so you don't need to worry about running out of power on set. And number 6, and probably the most important thing in this video, it works with the Canon R5 C. Well, with the correct timecode cable, of course. If you have multiple Canon R5 C, you only need one Tentacle sync to sync them all. So not like what you watched a couple years ago, that you will need one Tentacle sync per camera. That saves you a lot of money on multi-camera VR shoot like a live concert or a live broadcast event. I hope by now you understand why a universal timecode system with 32-bit flow recording capability is so good for run and gun low budget production. Now let me teach you how to set it all up with your Canon R5 C. First, turn to video mode, go into menu and scroll to tab number 9 with the wrench icon. Go to page number 3, timecode setting. Make sure you copy my exact setting right here. The most important thing is timecode in and out set to in and user bit recording mode set to external. We are using the timecode generating from the Tentacle sync, not the Canon R5 C native timecode. Now make sure you also buy the 3.5 jet to Canon timecode cable. I put the link down below so you don't get the wrong cable. Now go ahead and turn on Tentacle Track E and Sync E. You can pair them with the Tentacle mobile app via Bluetooth as you see right here. If your Track E is not in sync with the Sync E, you can hit sync on your phone. It will ask you for your project frame rate. If you are shooting 59.97 FPS, the highest option is 30 frames per second. There is no 59.97. Don't worry, just pick the 29.97 FPS option and the Tentacle software will figure out the difference for you. If you are shooting 50 frames per second, pick 25 FPS option instead. Now all your Tentacle devices is in sync. As you see, they are all green. While you're at your mobile app, make sure set your track E to record in 32-bit instead of 24-bit. This is the set it and forget about it option. Now connect your Tentacle sync E to your Canon R5 C right here. The sync port of Canon R5 C is right here. Hopefully you see it. Pay attention to the timecode of the Canon R5 C. Whenever you plug in the sync E cable, the timecode will change to sync with the Tentacle system. Look at your mobile app, it syncs perfectly with your camera. We are all set to record now. It is that easy. I put a Velcro of the back of my LCD screen light right here to attach my Tentacle sync E with my R5 C. But as you see right here, I also just unplugged the cable and the camera is still in sync. So you can use one sync E to sync all Canon R5 C you have and any professional camera that have support timecode system. Watch out though, if you turn off your camera or if you change recording frame rate, you need to reattach and resync with the Tentacle sync E. It is a known bug on Canon R5 C that will hopefully get fixed in the future firmware update. Now let's talk about how to sync everything in your post-production software. Since Canon R5 C has timecode built in, you don't need any extra software to sync. Just drop in your audio and your audio, right-click all the clips, go to Synchronize, choose Timecode and hit OK. Now your audio and your video are in perfect sync without any audio drift. Select your Tentacle sync E track, hit G on your keyboard to bring up the Premiere Audio Gain panel. Select Normalize Max Peak to -1 dB to bring back all the clip information. I like it to do this step in Adobe Audition or Isotope RX9 VST plugin. They usually handle 32-bit flow better and have more settings on normalization. For 2D videographer, this is all you need to know. If you are like me, an immersive filmmaker who use Canon R5 C with the dual fisheye lens to film VR 180 video for the metaverse, then you need to spatialize each Tentacle track E based on your talent location and animate them in VR. I am making a brand new spatialize tutorial for you. This is based on this tutorial almost 3 years ago. A lot has been changed since then, and now Ambisonic spatial audio workflow is a lot easier, and you can edit in VR headset like in the Meta Quest 2 right here. I will cover all this in my next Canon EOS VR tutorial, so don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and give this video a big thumb up. I will see you next time.